Okay, it is a good time to be a Tesla owner. Currently, we just have the new MCU drop for the Model S and the X that we showed you guys, as long as with some lighted vanity mirrors in the Model S. Couple other cool things coming, but today we want to show you the new autopilot update, which actually just hit, and Tesla is pushing it to the entire fleet very, very quickly, actually. So kind of want to bring you guys along, show exactly what it has and what you can expect. I didn't actually not receive it in my 100D. Scott received it in his 75D. David received it in his 90D. So we're actually going to install it on David's. Going to go ahead and walk through it and show you exactly what it does. Should be pretty awesome. Even Karpathy himself said they almost did a complete rewrite on the autopilot software. I know Bonnie, if you don't follow her, I'll put her down in the description below. Definitely check out her YouTube and Twitter and everything. She actually was one of the first to receive it, and it looked pretty awesome. It actually did a bridge for her that is a very tight bridge, so I can't wait to see what it holds. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install it on David's 90D. You can see up here we have the little symbol. So currently, he is on 2018.6.1, which is the same thing I am on. He's almost up to 11,000 miles, getting up there. Here on the equalizer, I heard some things. So currently, they go all the way up to 12. You can see right there. We'll put that back down to 8 for him. Remember that for when we check it. But I think that's basically it. Let's go ahead and get this updated started. So we're going to install now. 1, 2, 3. Starting update. So I will see you guys in a few. I'm actually gonna go shower because I just got home for the day and get rid of all this. So we'll be right back.
20 minutes later.
Okay, and we can see with this release, we've added the ability to open the front and rear trunks remotely through your phone app. Need to load packages. Now you can open the front and rear trunks ahead of time using the mobile app. And when you walk up to your vehicle, it's ready for you to easily place items inside. Does require version 3.2.0 or later. And then obviously it has this. So they actually don't even talk about an autopilot update. But based on what we've seen, it's there, so we're definitely going to try it out. One other thing we can check too is up here. The equalizer now maxes out at 8. You can see now we are on 2018.10.4. And there's your hash code there. So yeah, I guess that's basically it. From main page, nothing has changed. Let's go ahead and go to controls. And now you can see we have vent roof and unlock, which we always had. Flash the lights. Huh, I don't think I've ever done that before. We have the horn, which I'm not gonna do because I'm at home. Start if you want. Now we have the front trunk and the trunk. They should have just called it frunk. Can we start with that? Okay. So can we close it from here though? Oh, you can. That's exciting. So let's move to the front. Okay, so now in front of the car, let's see if it will do the front trunk. Ooh. Are you sure? So it actually asks you about the front if you really want to do that. But it did it. Cool. So there you have exactly what the update held, and now I'm going to go ahead and publish this video and go ahead and start directly editing the autopilot test footage. So we did a ton of tests yesterday, and that will be posted probably within like an hour or so of this going live. So just keep an eye out for that. Figured I'd go ahead and separate them in case some people want to see what the actual car updated versus what the actual autopilot updates look like. But definitely check in if you want to see that second footage. But definitely if you are looking to buy a Tesla, check out our website, teslainventory.com. And if you're looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to do so. And if you do use our code, email me through the website. That way I have your contact info so that when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out and help experience that with us, because really without your support, none of that would be possible. But that's it, so definitely check out the next video being posted very shortly of the autopilot test footage. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.